This is fantastic. I can't wait to taste this recipe. Here's a delightful recipe for French apple cake topped with fresh strawberries and blueberries. French apple cake ingredients. 1. 3 large apples, such as Granny Smith or Honeycrisp, peeled, cored, and sliced. 2. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 3. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 4. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 5. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 6. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened. 7. 3/4 cup granulated sugar. 8. 2 large eggs, at room temperature. 9. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 10. 1/4 cup milk. For the strawberry blueberry topping. 1. 1 cup fresh strawberries, sliced. 2. 1 cup fresh blueberries. 3. 2 tablespoons granulated sugar. 4. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a 9-inch round cake pan and line the bottom with parchment paper. Set aside. In a bowl, toss the apple slices with lemon juice to prevent browning. Set aside. In another bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. Set aside. In a mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. Gradually add the flour mixture into the creamed butter mixture, alternating with the milk. Begin and end with the flour mixture. Mix until just combined. Gently fold in the prepared apple slices until evenly distributed in the batter. Pour the batter into the prepared cake pan and spread it evenly. Bake in the preheated oven for about 40-45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. While the cake is baking, prepare the strawberry blueberry topping. In a bowl, combine the sliced strawberries, blueberries, granulated sugar, and lemon juice. Toss gently to coat the berries. Let it sit at room temperature to allow the flavors to meld. Once the cake is done, remove it from the oven and let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Then, transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Just before serving, top the French apple cake with the strawberry-blueberry mixture. This French apple cake is wonderfully moist and flavorful with the sweetness of apples, complemented by the fresh and vibrant flavors of strawberries and blueberries. It's a delightful dessert to enjoy on its own or with a dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream.